Hello, I am Rachel Close. I am 19 years old and I reside in Welsh Vending Hall. I have no prior experience with this vending machine.
Hi, I'm Zita. I'm 19 and I live in Ryan Hall.
Buy me a Lifesavers. Oh. Oh. Okay, buy me Skittles.
Just bought you Skittles.
Yay. Buy me a Pop-Tart. Oh, actually, I wanted to cancel the order. Too late. Alright, buy me a Starburst bar. Hold on. Actually, never mind. I want to cancel the order.
Ah, press cancel when finished. Right? Yeah, that was cancel it.
Buy me a Pop-Tart. Oh wait, actually, I want extra gum. Extra gum. Work. Buy me a Snickers bar. Oh wait, actually, I think I want to change my selection.
Let's get you.
Anything but a Snickers bar,
right,
since we're changing our selection.
Yes, let's get you the next best thing. Alright. I was already ready, I think.
Yes, I think so.
Okay. Getting you a Twix.
Alright, awesome. Okay, so I only have $1 and I need to buy something from this machine. Anything.
Okay.
So here you go. Oh, hold on. Actually, I have another quarter, so I can buy something a little bit more expensive. Wait, actually, I kind of want my money back now. I don't really want to buy anything.
Oh.
I can't make it work. Maybe I don't get my money back. Dang. Okay, that's not bad. I guess I have to buy something. I don't really want anything. I don't really want anything over $1. Actually, I shouldn't have given you that quarter. Oh, you got a cool quarter. Alright, so I only have $1, so I'll need you to get me something that is this amount. Wait, I actually have another quarter, so I think I can afford to get something a little more expensive.
So,
wait, actually I'm second guessing myself. I think I want my change back, at least a quarter, so I do want something that is under $1 or $1. Can you still get me something at least $1 or less? And hopefully I will get my change back.
okay. Do you have preference for this $1 or less? Would you prefer it to be less?
Probably less.
Okay. You're gonna get some gum.
Alright. Well, my food got stuck and it made me very upset that I wasted my money on that. Also, it doesn't give you back your change ever. Right, so if you input cash and you decide that you don't want anything, then it's too late. Yeah, okay. These giant numbers are a little bit confusing because they look the same as the buttons, but I like that you don't have to push these that hard. And you can put your dollar bill in anyway. Well, sometimes if I'm lazy and I don't want to squat, then it can be a problem. Okay. And do you have any suggestions or improvements you think could be made? To give me my money back. That would be a good feature. Okay. Thank you. You're welcome.
No issues with the actual transactions. I thought it went by pretty smooth, except for when you want to cancel a transaction. It kind of takes a long time. You basically have to wait a certain amount of time before it cancels, because you can't cancel it yourself, which is really weird. Aside from that, the whole not being able to get your change thing, if you like suddenly decide you don't want anything, you have to pick something, so that's a problem.
Right.
You might come here and be hungry and be like, oh wait, no, but it's too late. So, I mean, it's pretty simple mechanics. I don't really find anything to be like particularly uncomfortable when I have to use it.
So like, you think the whole layout is clear, or?
Yeah. Like the pricing is like, aside from the ones that say like top or stop, that's weird and should be identifiable by price. So yeah, those are adjustments that should be made. Otherwise, the numbers and the prices align perfectly with the product, which is not true for some other vending machines, but this one does a pretty good job of that. I don't know, easy to reach and pretty clean. So yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.